Hello, you are on the channel Curative CG Computer Graphics. In this video I want to show you how to make clothes simulation in Cinema 4D without using Marvelous Designer. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. Let's start. I have a character animation ready. I'll select the character itself and add a collider tag to it. I will attach a tag with clothes to the jacket. We see very strong gravity on clothes. In order for the clothes to keep their shape, set the substeps to about 80. The higher this value, the less the clothes will deform. Let's do the same with the pants. First, let's add a belt tag to it to tie it to the character. Select using edges. By pressing Ctrl on the dots, the selection will move to dots. Add a symbol to the tag and click Connect. Let's add a tag to the pants. I'll bake a simulation. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.